Come on. Have some topper with your food. And because everybody thinks that you're like so well trained, we don't have to pray tonight. You can just have your food, okay? We don't have to bless it. All right, go ahead. No, go ahead. We don't have to bless it tonight. Go ahead. Okay, you are literally drooling into it, so I guess we will pray over it. Bless this food to Milo's body and give it him nourishment. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. Yeah, so as you can see, Milo chooses when he wants to pick the time to eat.